Global NCAP has made a good impact in India by educating people on understanding what are the safety ratings and how the car are tested and a few other things. The main important point here is in 2011, the NCAP discussion started in India. And it took us almost 14 years to get this topic onto the board. Eventually, we try to start observing all these things step on step, and now we have Bharat NCAP specifically for India. I think Global NCAP was one of the foundation stone for us in order to establish this kind of Bharat NCAP in India, which is going to be one of the near future. In terms of technology, if you have a look, in 2010, we did not have even airbags in India. In the last 10 years, we have legislation in airbags, we have legislation in ABS, legislation in ESC, not directly, but part of Bharat NCAP. Now you see Indian cars, even the base cars is equipped with most of the relevant safety system what's available in India. It took only 10 years for India to implement all these things, which took almost 25 years for Europe. So it's a great achievement for India, and kudos for Bharat NCAP, and also kudos for Global NCAP for assisting us to get all these things for our country.